Ensure your POS has the necessary funds to provide change by maintaining a cash float. A float is a starting balance kept in your cash register or drawer. To make use of this feature, simply do the following. Log in to the point of sale using your unique access code or by scanning your fingerprint. Navigate to the Functions menu on the Sales Overview screen. Select the Maintain Float function. Choose the correct entity type for your action. This can be either employee, till, or store cash up. This will be the cash up float that is either increased or decreased. Review the current float amount to ensure you are adjusting the correct float. Enter the adjustment amount. Finally, click on either Add or Remove to finalize. Add will increase your float amount and Remove will decrease your float amount.